Hello, Bring a Trailer enthusiast. Today we got a 2005 M3 competition coupe. It's got an SMG shifter on it. I've had the car for 10 years. I've loved it the whole time I've owned it. Took good care of it, and I've really enjoyed it. Car still runs strong. And I'll do a show you the door jambs here. Car's never seen wind and weather. Interior is in very good condition. Sorry if I'm moving a little fast. Do a cold start for you. Windshield wiper bottle has leaked, does not hold fluid. It's got the cold weather package, heated seats, electric seats, Harman stereo.
The interior, Chevy Trax is the small, compact SUV.
This car has not required any reinforcement to the frame. It's still in good shape. That's all I'll give you for now until I do a drive.